So now they're resolved in the manner that they should be resolved.
Yeah, criminal cases closed. The lawyer for a former Canfield doctor talks about how his client plans to move forward. Good evening, I'm Dave Sess.
I'm Lindsay Watson. Ali Kooshkabadi had his license to practice medicine suspended indefinitely by the state and will now spend the next year on probation and in counseling. First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti was in court to learn what's next. It's our top story at 6.
For the second time in less than 2 weeks, Ali Kooshkabadi appeared in a Mahoning County courtroom with his attorney pleading guilty.
You understand you're not going to have a trial either to this court or to a jury. Do you understand that?
Kooshkabadi had initially been charged with making terroristic threats following an incident early last month at a local store in Boardman after employees told him he couldn't buy a firearm. At the time, a protection order had been filed against the former physician by his estranged wife, which prohibited him from having a weapon. Similar charges were also filed against Kooshkabadi in Canfield. Although that case was resolved earlier this month, the state medical board had already suspended his license to practice.
These criminal matters, which all sort of stem from this set of coincidences that caused his mental health to be greatly affected.
We learned today that in addition to the incidents that occurred in this area, there had also been an episode at a Pittsburgh hospital where Kooshkabadi once practiced. As part of today's plea, he's been ordered to stay away from that facility as well. But Kooshkabadi's lawyer tells me problems may have started with his client late last summer when he was held up at gunpoint.
That didn't help matters either, and it acted as this complete trigger to the person, and the mind can only take so much.
In court, Kooshkabadi was fined $250, given a suspended jail sentence, and placed on a year's probation. He was also ordered to continue his course of treatment. In Boardman, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.